Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and Fold4 turn folding glass from novelty to icon. They change how you experience the world. Let's start with Galaxy Z Flip4, our most compact flip yet. Slimmer than ever, Flip's matte haze glass finish comes in 4 stunning colors. Eye-catching from this angle, that angle, every angle. The pocket ability. If you like it glossy, pick from 75 bespoke edition color combinations. The cover screen is designed to keep up with your life. Open it, and a whole new world of self-expression unfolds with FlexCam.
FlexCam gives you the freedom to express yourself, from video calls to videos to selfies, even from the cover screen.
Preview your selfie and include your whole crew hands-free. Shot after shot after shot. Even Instagram is optimized for FlexCam. Capture life from new perspectives. Up high, good boy. Down low, and action.
Okay, great. We can take 5 here.
Up high, down low, and action.
Okay, let's get back to work.
Every angle is your best angle with FlexCam. You can even toggle between screens to suit your view. Flip's upgraded battery powers you through every moment. And with FlexCam, don't worry about shaky videos at night. Z Flip 4 is the ultimate smartphone for self-expression.